Hello guys, welcome back. This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel and welcome to my another 3ds Max and After Effects tutorial. How to create a low-poly model and exporting a two kind of 3D model into After Effects by Element 3D. Let's start. There is 3ds Max and this is the model of a head, Lowpoly. If you wanna turn on mesh smooth modifier, it will be changed to high poly. This is the skin is not important, so delete the mesh tool, select the head and file, export, selected, desktop, select the OBJ and right here, head, low poly, export. And then select the head and go to modifier and go to select lattice, whereas let's so change the joint 0 and change the radius, press Alt, slowly change, select, make 0.3, set the segments and sides. So right click, convert again to poly and file, go to export, export. So before exporting, press all, .2, select again, change to edit poly, file, export, selected, head, Lowpoly 2, press OK, go to After Effects, close the composition, create another new composition, Lowpoly, and create a new solid, write the 3D model and go to Effects, Video Copilot, select the element and go to Scene Setup, then go to Import, select the first one, press OK, there's the first one. So apply material, and go to import another one, press OK, apply the golden material, here is, and before setting go to environment, select a backlight 4K effects, this one, press OK. Let's check this one. So press OK. Create a new camera 24 and select the 3D and go to group 1, particle look, set the size and then rotate the camera and you can make title, movie title animation. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about to export 3D model from 3ds Max to After Effects. Like, share, subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.